I'm here once again. It's such an amazing scene on the Sagankop bridge, the lower Volta bridge. Actually, it's such a beautiful scene. Whenever I drive through, you can see my car. My car right there. Yes, so I decided to park there and then to take a proper sight of the lower Volta bridge. I understand, like I've covered before. This being the longest bridge in West Africa. I don't know. There's one, I think the mainland bridge or something like that in Lagos, Nigeria. But this one is such amazing. Simply amazing. I always love to take a proper sight so you can see the fishermen right there. I don't know if you can see the fishermen actually fishing on the shores, and there has been some rocks to cutting off the weathering as a natural process actually, and it's such an amazing thing to watch. But you can clearly tell that I'm stammering because I have this strong half of acrophobia. That's the fear for heights and me being on the bridge. Oh, you can see my pair of shoes, so sneakers you can call it, and there it is. So there's the lower Volta bridge. You can see, I don't know if that's the Sagankop beach resort. You can see, yes. So it's such an amazing thing to watch, so to witness, I must say. So taking some few steps through, probably walking back to my car now. Yes, amazing. So that's it. That's the bridge. The bridge cuts.